Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we will tell you about wonderful autumn 3D live wallpaper with some good features. So let's start with the video. Open Google Play Store. Search autumn leaves in HD 3D Parallax Wallpaper. Install it. Here are the video and pictures about this wallpaper, about this app, features. You can read it yourself. It's installed now. Open it. It's showing little slow in video, but it's okay in mobile. Setting. Set wallpaper. Settings. Select the theme. Free theme or Excel version. Background. Select the free background or Excel version. Lens blur, you can change it. Parallax strength. You can change it. Set wallpaper. Wallpaper is set now. This is how it looks like. Hope you like this wallpaper and video. Please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.